it. It was just one sentence, but it felt like a door slamming shut. "You don't understand me." That's what 14-year-old Arav said before locking himself in his room. Raj always believed he was a good father. He provided, he protected, he corrected mistakes. That's what fathers are supposed to do, right? But lately, every conversation turned into an argument. Study first. Stop using your phone. Why are your marks dropping? Don't talk back. Raj thought he was guiding his son. Arav felt judged. That evening, when the words "you don't understand me" were thrown into the air, Raj almost shouted back. But something stopped him. Instead of knocking on the door in anger, he sat outside quietly. For the first time, he asked himself a hard question. When was the last time I tried to understand before correcting? He realized most of their conversations were instructions. Very few were curiosity. The next day, Raj did something different. He didn't begin with advice. He began with a question. "Help me understand. What does it feel like to be you right now?" Arav didn't answer immediately. Teenagers rarely do. But Raj didn't fill the silence. He waited, and slowly the truth came out. "I feel like I'm never good enough. I'm tired. I don't even know what I want. I'm scared of disappointing you." Raj felt something crack inside him. He thought pressure would prepare his son for life. He didn't realize it was building fear. That day, Raj learned something powerful. Children don't want perfect parents. They want present ones. From that week onward, Raj changed one habit. Before correcting, he connected. Before advising, he listened. Before judging, he asked. The arguments didn't disappear overnight, but something shifted. The door that once felt closed slowly opened again, because sometimes understanding begins not with answers, but with humility. And sometimes the most powerful parenting sentence is, "Teach me how to understand you."